Now you may think all pruners do the same job, but they don't. They're all slightly different. And each one has a specific purpose for plants in the garden, making it easier for you to use and also better for the plants as well. First up, a normal pair of pruners. There we go. These are called bypass pruners because, as you can see, the blades move like this in a similar way to the scissors that you have in the kitchen. These ones here are Anvil with a single blade here that cuts onto a solid base. Similar way that you use a kitchen chopping knife with a board underneath. Then we've got these, which are snips, very much like scissors at the top, but they've got pruner handles and a little bit of a spring in there at the base. And these are really good for precision work. Now with the first ones, the bypass pruners, these are very good to use on live material. If you're pruning things like here, the end of the season, it's a fuchsia, and you're clipping it back or you're pruning your roses, these are very good. They give a good clean cut. Now if you are pruning live wood, get in and cut down to the next branch at an angle facing away from the branch or bud, just like, not too close, that there. So any water will flow in that direction and not into the bud. Now if you're pruning on dead wood, you don't really want to be using bypass because that can cause a little bit of damage if the wood's so thick. But these Anvil pruners are pretty good against stiff, hard, dry wood. But you may notice as they cut, they do flatten the wood a bit, which makes them not very good for live wood. Because if it flattens the wood, it splits it, whereas the bypass pruners absolutely cut it perfectly clean. Now for precision work on very delicate flowers, especially deadheading, something similar to that, the snips are great because they're very small. It allows you to get right in there and take all the old flower heads off so easily because they're small and they can work their way through. So there you have it, 3 essential pruners perfect for your home and garden. For more information on gardening and the right tools to use when gardening, just visit the website ames-tools.co.uk.